God has been dealing with me, and I did not know that was God. I thought that was a norm for everybody. When I said dealing with me, He's been speaking to my heart, directing me.
I intend to become 100% like God called me to become. Harvest from my colorful garden. Look at it. I'm here in Jamaica and I am not wasting no time. So I decided to plant a garden. Green juice from my colored one, breadfruit from my big dumpling and color. You name it. But we must eat of this bread. Jesus Christ Himself. How are you doing? Everything good? Don't stress yourself. Just pray. God do the rest, alright? Love you, bless you, stay strong. Love, bless, peace, everything. Good. Bye.